Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio. Today, actually over the last few days, I've been drawing butterflies with my brush markers, water-based brush markers that I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby. I thought I should use what I bought, right? So I have this butterfly book that was given to me forever ago, and I came across it again the other day. And that's kind of what inspired this. I'm not going to show you which one I was trying to draw because, it's nothing like it. But the book is called 600 Butterflies and Moths in Full Color, W.F. Kirby. I'm not sure, my aunt gave this to me. It has a big red dot on it, so I'm sure it was in some bargain bin or something. But, yeah. So, I've been drawing one butterfly a day and just thought I'd bring you along for the ride. Hope you enjoy.